Okay, so we're gonna wire this Sony SME style head shell. Okay, so it's so we're gonna start off with the top section. So let's so the red goes up here. Oh, that went in too easy. Oh, okay. Why is that so easy? Alright. Let's wire this thing in. There we go. Put this cover over it. And so that's the right channel. Right signal. And then let's do the left signal channel. Okay. There we go. Put this cover over it. Alright. Protect the signal. And let's do right ground, which is this guy. What the hell? Why is this thing? Not. Okay, let's do this side. Okay. And so this is left ground. Alright, and let's do the cartridge. So cartridge is right. Red goes here. Wow, this thing's pretty tight. So that's the right channel. And let's do the left channel. That's the left channel. And so let's do ground. So right ground is here. Let's see. Okay. So right ground is here. Okay. And let's do left ground. Okay. All right. So let's put this all back together now. Okay. Let's put it. Okay, put it where it needs to go. Ah. Screw this in. Yep, I got it in. Alright, so I got that side. Oh, that was a bit of an effort. Okay, and let's get the other side now. It should be a little bit easier to get the other side. Okay. Yeah, it was much easier to get the second side once the first side was done. Alright, so it is, that's what it looks like. There we go. All set to go.